Welcome to solverfy.
Here I sketched the graph of the line from 1990. For B, our y-axis is 106.7, and that's going to represent the amount of area of tropical rainforest in 1990. Now for C, our x-intercept down here is going to be at about 82, and that's going to represent the year 1982, which is when there was 0 area left of rainforest. For our slope, so our slope is 13 over 10, which is negative 13 over 10, which means that we are decreasing by negative 13 over 10 thousand square miles of area per year. Now if we want to use this equation to figure out when there were 69,000 square feet, we know that our y is going to be 69. So we're going to plug in 69 is equal to negative 13 over 10x plus 106.7. To solve this, we're going to do 69 minus 106.7 to get negative 37.7, and then divide that by negative 13 tenths, and we're going to get that x is equal to 29. And since we're talking about years after 1990, that would be the year 2019. And then finally for E, we want to approximate how large the rainforest was in 2009. So we're talking about years from 1990. That means we want to take x is equal to 19 and plug it into the equation. So we're going to do 19 times negative 13 tenths and then add 106.7 to get that our area is going to be about 82,000 square miles.